In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, fat-burning foods can serve as powerful allies. These foods not only nourish the body, but also help in shedding unwanted weight. Picture your plate filled with vibrant fruits and vegetables, each color representing a wealth of nutrients aimed at boosting your metabolism and accelerating fat loss. One star player in the world of fat-burning foods is the humble green tea. Imagine sipping a warm cup, its earthy aroma filling the room, while you know that it's revving up your metabolic engines. Rich in antioxidants, green tea has compounds that can increase metabolic rate, making it a refreshing choice for those looking to shed pounds. Combine this with a handful of chili peppers and you'll have a delightful duo. The heat from the peppers contains capsaicin, a natural compound that raises your body temperature and helps burn calories even at rest. As we explore these power-packed foods, let's not forget the role of protein. Picture a succulent piece of grilled chicken or a colorful platter of lentils. Protein-rich foods require more energy to digest, thus increasing your calorie-burning potential. This is the thermic effect of food in action, where your body burns more calories metabolizing food as opposed to just sitting idle. Incorporating these lean forms of protein into your meals not only aids in fat burning, but also supports muscle maintenance during weight loss, keeping your metabolism firing on all cylinders. Fiber is another critical component that should not be overlooked. Visualize a hearty bowl of oatmeal or a colorful salad, each bite contributing to a feeling of fullness, assisting in portion control. High-fiber foods help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce appetite, making them vital partners in your fat loss journey. Furthermore, healthy fats like avocados and nuts play a paradoxical role, often misunderstood as a no-go in weight loss diets. Instead, they provide satiety and help in nutrient absorption, paving the way for effective fat burning. Finally, hydration plays a crucial yet often underestimated role. Envision yourself drinking pure, clear water, the essence of life, flushing out toxins and boosting your metabolism. Not only does drinking water before meals help curb hunger, but it also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, further supporting your fat-burning goals. Embracing these fat-burning foods into your diet can transform the way you approach weight loss, turning it into an enjoyable and nourishing experience.